Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to create an account on Trust Wallet. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Also, before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you'll have to download the application. So then head towards your Play Store and then on the search box type in Trust Wallet. As you type in the name of an application, on the other page you'll have to tap on install, which is right in the corner. Now all you have to do is wait patiently for it to be installed. So after it is installed, so then tap on open. Next page there is terms and conditions, so you can go through it. So after you've gone through it, so then mark on the box which is I've read and accepted the terms of service and policy. And once you're done, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. Next page you'll have to create a passcode. So over here you can either create a passcode by just typing in the number, or you can even use a fingerprint. So then without setting your time, you'll not be able to type in your passcode or use your fingerprint. So you'll have to tap on open time settings. Now you'll have to turn it on, so just tap on it. Once again do the same. Now you'll be able to create a passcode. So as I've already mentioned before, you can either use your fingerprint or you can even type in the number in case you create a passcode. So make sure to note it down somewhere so that you don't forget it. Next page there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it all and then make sure to mark on all of these boxes and then tap on continue. On the other page you will be provided with a secret phrase, so you can see there are a number of words. So what you have to do is you'll have to note it down somewhere, as this will help you while logging into your account. So just tap on copy, and once you're done copying it, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. So once you're done entering your secret phrase, so then tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. Out here you can see that my account has been created. Now you can explore Trust Wallet. So that is how you can create an account on Trust Wallet. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.